Alright, so first video for 2021, and we're going to just show how good the Bosch Tassimo machine is at making a lovely Cadburys hot chocolate. And it is like chocolate, it's lovely. So what you need plenty of water in your machine, say half full. Yep. You need your cup. You need to put this tray on the bottom, because there are two for smaller cups, but you need the big on the bottom. You need a cup like that, basically. It's a standard mug, really. You place that under there. You get your pod. There's no shaking, and you place it upside down in there. These are called teapots, and the lip sticks out. You just can't go wrong, really. And then what you need to do is push the top down, and this bit, a bit like a visor, clicks. That light there, I call it a smiley face, just needs to be solid. Literally press that, and then it'll start sort of flashing, you can see it. It's going to make some funny noises. It'll suck the water from there. It knows exactly what to do, because these pods have got barcodes on them when you turn them upside down. And in here, there's another machine there, these are that good. In there, is a barcode reader, that bit there. That is literally it. Again, just for safety reasons, you can see there's some steam coming up. Just keep it away from electrical sockets and things. And while it's flashing there, do not open the lid, because you'll get a face full of steam, that's all. In fact, if there was smell-o-vision or smell-o-video, you'd see how that just smells like chocolate. It smells lovely. You know when your mum or your gran has baked a chocolate cake in the oven? That's what it smells like. It smells that nice. So it's still flashing. That's done. Take your cup off. For the next person, otherwise you'll be falling out with people, just remove your pod. Now, hold it by that, because they are quite hot, these, when you take them out. You won't burn yourself, but they're hot. And that's the barcode I was talking about. It reads it there and knows how much water to put in. And that is as simple as it gets to make, like, something you'd probably spend, I don't know, £2 or £3 pounds for hot chocolate. Anyway, if that's helped you to decide whether or not your Tassimo machine is your preferred hot chocolate maker for 2021 and has helped you along a bit, you know what I'm going to say. Can you help us along a little bit and subscribe, please? It really would help us along in 2021. Thanks for watching.